How's it going, YouTube? Did get some parts in, so we're gonna go ahead and start this build. Hopefully I got everything I need, and we go ahead and get that in. Here's the frame. Got that for $4. I went ahead and got a whole diff. My old one, if I can find it. It's in the box. My old one, I cracked one of my, let me get it for you guys. Anyway, I cracked one of the cups and I lost the bearing. So they had this for $12 up there. And my diff was kind of messed up. So I cracked the front diff case. So I got another one of those. I lost the double gears, got some of those, and I broke the pivot in the front, pivot block. Anyway, we're gonna go ahead and start working on this, and I'll keep you guys up to date. Alright, quick update. I took everything out. Replacement for that. Snap the upper one. So basically got all the parts. Just showing you guys out of the bag. Let's go ahead and get it started. So this is where we at so far. Just gotta throw in the servo, the ESC, a couple more things. Pretty much all done. That's what's left over. I'll get back to you guys as soon as I'm done. She back, y'all. Forgot to get some front foams. And this motor is finished. I just tried it and it keeps clogging too much, so that's a wrap. Gotta find another motor. I gotta get some testing in pretty soon. Throw that body on again, show y'all she's back. I didn't really sit the body flush, but she's all done. Sit the body down, she sit like that. She's good to go. And she back. Alright, we're gonna get the test in her. See what she got. First I gotta find a new motor. Hope everybody enjoy the build.